Hello everyone, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I to unbox the Dizo Gopods D wireless Bluetooth headset. Yes friends, finally I did get hands-on with this kind of Bluetooth headset, and this is my first product from the Dizo regarding the Bluetooth headsets. So I did order the wireless neckband before from the Dizo itself. So I did order for about close to 1300 kind of rupees, or in the first sale they did on some kind of discount as well. The main reason why I ordered this kind of headset is because to compare with the Realme Buds Q2 to check the quality and build quality and everything, and gaming experience as well. I'll try to do this kind of comparison with the Realme Buds Q2. So especially I'll try to test the quality mainly. So make sure to stay tuned for more updates friends, and in case if you have any other queries regarding these products, you can definitely leave the comment in below. So that will be really helpful. This is a Dizo Gopods D, as you can see here. And there should be some kind of specifications listed on the box as well. Let me know to go through the specifications so you'll be able to understand clearly what are the specifications it is. So I think the Dizo Gopods D has got I think close to 20 hours of long-lasting battery. That's the one which we do have, and 10 large base drivers as well, as you can see, large base drivers. And next we do have that 110 milliseconds of super low latency and Bluetooth 5.0 instant connection. So environmental noise cancellation for calls and intelligent touch controls. Yes. So let's explore what is the unboxing experience, and I need to use the Realme Link application to test the pairing and everything, all the features, because that's what the Dizo mentioned. You can actually use the Realme Link application. So the only advantage with the Realme Link application is that you do get plenty of customization friends, so which I'll try to explain in this video. So I do have the bot 101 ADOTs as well. So I do have different Bluetooth headsets with me, DWS. You can definitely ask me any questions regarding those in case if you have any other doubts. So right now, as you can see friends, we do have the charging port, which is the old style, not the type C one. That's a kind of disadvantage, I would say. So if it's kind of old style, that's, yeah, a lot of people they do like having the type C, not the old one. So these are the both looks, as you can see, Realme Buds Q2 and the Dizo Gopods D side by side. These are the build quality and everything looks, as you can see exactly. So I'll try to do the pairing test. I'll try to initially do the pairing test after removing all this kind of plastic which is around this earbuds. So then I'll be able to pair it properly using the Realme Link application only. I don't want to go to the settings. I'll try to use only Realme Link application during this time of pairing test. I just want to see how efficient it is. So now let's see friends, how is the pairing you can actually do using the Realme Link application. Just download the Realme Link application and click on the plus button, and as soon as you click the plus, and when the earbuds are out of this case, you will be able to detect in this application, as you can see friends. That's fantastic. So it's pretty straightforward. That's very good. So once we are having the connection, we are good to go. So once they are connected, you will be able to see the battery life, and not only that, you do have the gaming mode as well. That's really good to use this application to enhance the gaming mode. That's perfect. And there's a sound effects. If you want, you can decrease and increase the bass effects as well. I'll try to do the sound quality test in another video, so make sure to stay tuned for those videos. In case if you want me to compare the sound quality between this one and this one, I'll definitely do that very soon. And next we do have the double tap, triple tap and touch and hold. Not only for one ear, but both. You can actually customize from left side and right side as well. That's really very good customization friends, which I particularly like, as you can see. That's fantastic. You can actually select all the options, touch and hold. That's very good. So we do have that kind of option as well. Double tap to pass. Left side, if you try to click, double tap to skip next song. In this way you will be able to customize. Not only that, even you do have the option of turning on the game mode by pressing and holding the both earbuds at same time. That's really great. And let's see what is the codec. The earbuds are basically supported by default. Let me go to the Bluetooth and click on this one, and there's no codec supported, as you can see. We cannot see any kind of codecs at this point. There's no AAC or aptX, nothing at all. There's no high standard codec supported at this moment using this earbuds. That is what I'm going to say. And you do have the application where you can actually enhance slightly the quality, sound quality. You do have this kind of control. That's kind of good to have, but I'll try to test this kind of sound quality in detail after using for at least for one day. So thank you for watching this video friends, and make sure to stay tuned for more updates as well. Let me try to finally check the weight, how much the product is gonna have. So single bud weight, I just want to measure how much it is, and the weight of this one is go to 4.1 grams. Not bad, 4.1. Let's check this one, 4.12, as you can see, 4.16, not bad at all. Let's check only the weight of the case. So 30 grams. So overall it should be kind of 38 or 39. Let me try to close it and check the weight. and 39 grams. As you can see friends, overall the weight of the complete case is 39 grams itself. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and make sure to check the links in description. In case if you have any other queries, you can definitely leave in the comment section below. If you want me to test any other different comparing with other Bluetooth earbuds, I can do that for you all. And see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.